This is your math gal, Julie Harland. Please visit my website at yourmathgal.com, where all of my videos are organized by topic. Alright, we're going to find the exact value of the tangent of 157.5 degrees using the half angle identity below. Tangent of x over 2 equals 1 minus cosine of x over sine of x. So in order to do this, we need to write our angle or numbers in terms of x over 2, so I need to write 157.5 degrees as a different angle divided by 2. So in other words, 157.5 degrees is half of what number? We'll multiply it by 2 to get our answer of 315 degrees. So now we've got a value for x, so we could use this formula. Alright, so we've got a fraction bar, 1 minus the cosine of x, and x in this case is 315 degrees, over, the sine of x, so I want the sine of 315 degrees. And the reason we're able to find the exact value is because the 315 degrees, you can figure that exact value out, and I do it by realizing 315 degrees is over here in quadrant 4. I think of my values here on the triangle, my x and y coordinates basically, and I could see that the cosine of 315 degrees is 1 over square roots of 2, or square roots of 2 over 2. And the sine, the sine of 315 degrees is negative square roots of 2 over 2. So I'm going to plug that in for the cosine of 315 degrees and the sine of 315 degrees. So I have 1 minus, now for the cosine of 315, I got square roots of 2 over 2. And the denominator is just the sine, which is negative square roots of 2 over 2. So I have a complex fraction. So I need to multiply numerator and denominator of that by 2, which gives me, well, I've got to do my distributive property in the top. 2 times 1 is 2 minus, and 2 times square root of 2 over 2 is just square root of 2. And in the denominator, I have 2 times negative square roots of 2. The 2's cancel. I have negative square roots of 2. Now I have a square root in the denominator. So there are two ways you can finish this problem. One is you could multiply the numerator and denominator by the least common multiply by the by square root of 2 to get rid of the square root of 2. That's rationalizing this denominator. Or if you have a single term in the denominator, like it's not a binomial, you could put each term in the numerator divided by that. And I think in this case that might be easier, so I'm going to do it that way. So that's the same thing as 2 over negative square roots of 2, and then I'm going to have minus square roots of 2 over negative square roots of 2. So this 2 over negative square roots of 2, I'm going to have to rationalize it at this point. So let's go over here. If you have that 2 over negative square roots of 2, I could multiply the numerator and denominator by square roots of 2. But remember, what do I have over here? If I'm saying this is equal to this, I have to keep going. I've got minus a negative blah blah. What's that going to give me? That's just really plus 1, right? Because the square root of 2's cancel, the negative and a negative, that's going to cancel. So what do I have over here? In the numerator, I have 2 square roots of 2. And in the denominator, I have negative 2. So now the 2's cancel. I still have that plus 1, right? Don't forget to keep writing the plus 1. So I have negative square roots of 2, right? Because I have a square root of 2 divided by negative 1. So now my answer is really negative square roots of 2 plus 1, or 1 minus square roots of 2. And you could use a calculator to verify that when you plug in 1 minus square roots of 2 in your calculator, you get approximately the same number coming up on the calculator as if you put your calculator in the degree mode and computed the tangent of 157.5. So that's a good idea. So in calculator, both tangent of 157.5 degrees and 1 minus square root of 2 approximate to negative 0.4142, etc. So this tells me that I must have been computing this correctly. So this is the exact answer. This is an approximation, this negative 0.4142, etc. So that's a way to verify when you're done that you seem to get the right answer. This is your math gal, Julie Harland. Please visit my website at yourmathgal.com, where all of my videos are organized by topic.